Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a cam buckle tie-down straps. Always good to have some tie-down straps. These ones here are not like the cinching ones. These are just some good straps. So I'll show you guys what they look like here. It looks like, what are these? Oh, so you get a loop. You get two loops, I guess. You get two of those with the loops, and we have two sets here. So let me open this one up. It's got a little Velcro thing to keep it closed. That's actually kind of cool, and the Velcro stays on it. So that's cool that it's not gonna come falling off. So you can see here, so we have it there, and then here is the long thing here. So we have two hooks, so we can hook it on either end, and then we can cinch up the cable as long or short as we want to make a nice tie down. So it's a tie down, but it's not ratcheting or anything like that. So it'll just be a tie down strap. So you can just have it up and over. It's good to have to do things if you wanted to just tie some stuff down and not be able to ratchet it if you don't need to, which most stuff, I don't know, depending on what you're doing. With my little car, just stuff in the back of the car and stuff like that, don't really need to cinch it down. But that's cool, and then it comes with its little thing here. Let's see if I can kind of Velcro it back up together again somehow. I'm sure I can figure this out. So, whatever. It'll be tough to get it lined up exactly, but you can get it Velcroed back together again. I guess I could use that as a model. But super cool little setup here, and you could just have it go, and it's nice and long and sturdy straps. So totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.